Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your science teacher, Najam Sift from Crescent School. And you know that the chapter under discussion is solid and liquid. And today we discuss about the characteristics of liquid or the properties of liquid. But first of all, I have a recap for you for your previous lesson. In your previous lesson, you learn about solids, their structure of molecules, and characteristics of solid. In our previous lesson, we learn that solid molecule have strong force of attraction, they have no space to move, they just vibrate, and so that is why the solids have definite shape and volume. It cannot be compressed and it cannot flow. Today, the topic is characteristics of a liquid, and after this lesson, students will be able to identify the liquids, define the liquids, define the properties of liquid, and draw the molecular structure of the liquid. And now, for better understanding, I have a short video for you for the properties of liquid. After watching this, I think all of you understand the properties or the characteristics of a liquid easily.
2. Properties of liquids. Water, oil, milk, kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. are examples of liquids. A. Liquids are not rigid. B. Because of the weak intermolecular forces, liquids have no definite shape of their own. They take the shape of the containers. C. Liquids have a definite volume. D. Liquids can flow from a higher to a lower level. E. Liquids change into gaseous state upon heating through evaporation. F. Liquids change into solid state upon cooling through a process called freezing.
Now students, I think after watching this video, all of you learn about the properties of liquid. So here I have some points of learning or some properties of liquid. We discuss it one by one according to your level. For example, we learn that liquid molecules have less force of attraction between them. Number two, they have space to move. So we can see that when a liquid poured into a container, it flows and take the shape of a container. Look at these pictures. Liquid in different containers have different shapes. Juice in a glass and many sanitizing bottles or the different colored liquids are in different shapes and the liquid take the shape of the container just because of the weak force of attraction between the molecules. So we learn that a liquid has no definite shape. This is its first property. Now here we discuss more about the volume of a liquid and can we compress a liquid or not? From these diagrams we can see that the volume of the liquid does not change through its shape, though its shape change, and so we learn that liquid has definite volume. And here I have a picture of injection. This picture shows that we cannot compress a liquid. When we press the injection, the liquid comes out from the needle because we cannot compress it. That is why this is the second and third properties of the liquid. Liquids have the definite volume and we cannot compress the liquids. Properties of a liquid. We learn that a liquid has no definite shape but has a definite volume. Number two, it cannot be compressed but it can flow. Now here I have a written task for you for your more practice and more understanding. Do these questions into your notebooks. Question number 1, define a liquid with examples. Question number 2, write down the properties of a liquid. And also you can draw the pictures of different liquids in different containers. Okay, here I have an experiment for you for your better understanding of solids and liquids. Do this experiment at home. This experiment is not so difficult. This is easy to do. The experiment given on page 133, do it at home just for your more understanding of liquid and solids. Uh, okay, students, I think all of you learn about the properties of liquids, properties of solids, the physical states of matter, the atomic structure, and the molecular structure of solid and liquid in this chapter. And all points are clear to you. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I think for next time, see you tomorrow, see you next time, inshallah Tala, and hope all of you are good and stay safe at home. Allah Hafiz.